How to draw Dr. Otto Octavius, step by step. Hey, what is going on everybody? So for the first step, we're going to begin by drawing Dr. Otto Octavius' glasses. We'll draw his glasses by using two small oval-like shapes, then we will connect them in the center by drawing a small line in between. I was really excited to draw Dr. Otto Octavius because I was a big fan of his role in the new Spider-Man No Way Home movie. Nice start to our drawing. Now right beneath that line that we just drew together, we're going to begin to draw a backward C-like shape for the nose. Nice! Next we're going to fill in the sunglasses black. On each side we'll leave a small white dot. In the new Spider-Man No Way Home movie, Dr. Otto Octavius was actually one of my favorite villains, right up there with Green Goblin. Who is one of your favorite villains from the new movie? If you want to learn how to draw more characters from Spider-Man No Way Home, then I highly recommend you consider checking out our drawing of the Green Goblin's mask. All done? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Now on each side of the glasses, we're going to draw another C-like shape just how we did for the nose, but this will be for the ears. Then we'll use a small line to connect the ears to the glasses. Next up, to add a little bit of detail on the inside of each ear, we're going to add in a small squiggle line. So far we have the ears drawn along with the nose and the sunglasses. Now let's go right above the sunglasses and we're going to begin to draw the eyebrows. Now right above the eyebrows that we just drew of Dr. Otto Octavius, we're going to begin to draw his hair. This is a fun part because you can get as crazy with this part as you would like. When I was a bit younger, I loved to watch the Tobey Maguire Spider-Man movies, which first had the Green Goblin, number 2 had Dr. Otto Octavius, and number 3 had Venom and Sandman. Out of those 3 movies, which one is your favorite? Comment down below. Well done, so far we're making great progress. Next we're going to begin to connect the hair that we just drew to the ears by using small curved lines. Now to finish drawing the outline of Dr. Octavius' face, we're going to draw a long line connecting from the left ear all the way over to the right ear, which will look similar to a big U-like shape. For the mouth, I'm going to make it appear as if Dr. Otto Octavius is kind of upset, so I'm just going to make a simple small curved line that is going down. Fantastic, now we're all done drawing the face. Now let's go right below the head that we just drew, and we're going to begin to draw the outline of the jacket. When we draw the outline of the jackets, we want to use a lot of sideways V shapes, and we want to be careful when we do this because we want to make them all similar to the same length. Now on each side connected to the sideways V that we just drew, we're going to draw a long line that will help make the length of the coat. Now we're going to draw 2 more sideways V shapes on each side, then we'll use a long curved line connected to this V shape just how we previously did to make the sides of the coat. And if this video is helping you out so far, be sure to give it a big like so other YouTube artists and other Spider-Man fans can also learn how to draw Dr. Otto Octavius. Now in between the jackets, we're going to begin to make the piece that goes around Dr. Otto Octavius' chest, which holds up those 4 legs that he has on his back. Nice job, so far we're making great progress. Now right above what we just drew, we're going to begin to add some small curved lines to the chest for detail. Nice! Now right below the chest that we just drew, we're going to begin to draw the legs. At the bottom of the legs, we'll draw the feet by using simple shapes that look similar to squares. Now we're not going to draw the legs of Dr. Otto Octavius just yet. For this next step, we're going to begin to draw the hands along with the arms. This part is fairly simple, but if I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video. Now some cartoon drawings only show the characters with 3 or 4 fingers, but today's drawing will actually have 5 fingers. And the hands of Dr. Otto Octavius will appear as if they are fists and clenched. At the very end of today's video, I'm going to show you a picture of my drawing colored in so that it is easy for you to pause the video and match your colors if you'd like to. Now all that we have left to do is to draw the legs. Now we're going to begin to draw the legs by using 4 circles. They will all be the same size. Now in each one of the circles that we just drew, we're going to add in 3 prongs. They will all look similar to rectangular shapes. If you enjoy regularly watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like today's drawing of Dr. Otto Octavius, then I highly recommend you consider hitting the subscribe button so you stay up to date on all the latest drawings that we post every single day. All done? If so, let's continue. Now we're going to begin to connect those circles and prongs that we just drew to the body. We will connect these to the body by using two curvy lines. Now on those legs that we just drew, we're going to add in small lines for detail. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawing of Dr. Otto Octavius came out great. If you want to learn how to draw more characters, then comment who else you would like to learn how to draw down in the comments below. And we are halfway of reaching our goal to 10,000 subscribers, so if you'd like to help us reach our goal, then be sure to subscribe and like. Thanks again, see you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.